Hey guys, welcome to my next video tutorial on how to use Clipart in a variety of projects. I'm so happy to see you here. Now today we're going to be looking at how to use our Clipart, or basically any digital products that you get on Etsy, and sort of like use it on printed products such as t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, because gone are the days when we had to buy whatever is available in stores. Now we've got so many options to choose from. There are so many wonderful companies that can print products for us. And the latest one is Canva itself. So I'm sure I don't have to introduce Canva to you guys. My tutorials are all about how to create in Canva with literally no experience. I am not a graphic designer. I'm learning as I go along, just like yourself. And also my everything that I do and everything that I teach you and show you is sort of with a free Canva account. So you don't need a professional account to do this at all. So as I said, today we're going to be focusing a little bit on a fun stuff, like having our designs printed on t-shirts and hoodies and delivered by Canva. And Canva is such a fantastic company, guys. They have this happiness guarantee. So if you're not happy with something that they print, then they will repair it, reprint it for you, or just refund your money. So there's really no worries there, because I know it can be quite scary, to trust a company to have a t-shirt printed or something. So let's just go through everything. I hope you're excited. So just guys, very quickly, my name is Ivana and I own this little store on Etsy called Express Prints, Express with Vanes, and I sell mainly clip art and wall art. And I also do video tutorials on how to do this, how to have it printed, and how to turn your clip art into fantastic, stunning social media products, invitations, anything that you want. So let's just have a look at the clip art that I'm going to be using today. I have decided to do Halloween clip art. I love Halloween. So Halloween clip art can be found in my store, and I'm popping the link underneath this video as well in the Halloween clip art section. And at the moment, I've got 2 bundles, but there's you can choose between 5 different bundles. And let's have a look. So each bundle has 10 designs. So you can choose between this one. They're very, very high quality files, and they have transparent backgrounds, so they can literally be used on anything. And today we're going to be using them printed on our new t-shirts or sweatshirts. So yeah, you can choose whichever bundle you like, then you sort of like pop in here what bundle you want. So number 4, whatever you want, and then add to basket. And you will receive your bundles. You will receive a PDF with a link to download your files. These are quite large files, so I have to actually host them separately. What you will get in your file is 10 PGN files with transparent background size 4000 times 4000 and 10 high resolution PDF files for print. So altogether 20 files in each bundle, which is quite a lot. And you can be 100% sure that these are really, really high quality. So once you receive your files, whichever you chose, you will then go to Canva. And I'm now in my home section. I am paid subscriber, but you obviously don't have to be, because everything that we're going to be doing today is free. And we're going to go to create a design. So that's where we start with our print on shirts and hoodies. So let's just quickly double check that size of our file. So the file is sized at 4000 times 4000, but we can go a little bit smaller, but I'm going to stick to that design. So I'm going to custom size, and I'm going to write here 4000 times 4000. Yeah. And then I click on create design here. And it's taking me to a new page where I'm going to be creating my design for print. So guys, once you receive your files, you will then upload it, or upload one, or upload how many you want to here, to this section. So upload section, and you go to upload files, and then it will open the window for you, and you are able to upload it that way. So all my PNG files look like this when they are imported into Canva. They look like they have a black background, but they basically have a transparent background. So let's find our Halloween designs. I am a big clip art creator. I'm sort of right now working on Christmas ones as well. So Love it. Love the versatility of it, not just on physical prints, but you can do anything digital with it, like invitations, party invitations, housewarming invitations, anything you want. It's really amazing. Social media. Okay, so let me just pick one that I want. I mean, we also should sort of decide whether we want something on both sides of the t-shirt or something just on one side. But let's start with one side and see how we go along. So let me just pick this one. This one is quite nice and scary. Obviously, we'll see what it will look like on the t-shirt. Okay, so that's our mock-up basically. And how do we then transfer this onto a t-shirt? Guys, it's the easiest thing ever. You don't even need to leave Canva. So Canva recently introduced this print your design feature. And obviously, I'm not 100% sure whether this is available in all countries, but basically you will see it, whether that's available in your country when you go to share and then print your design. So I'm in the UK, we've got it available. I'm 100% sure it's available in many, many countries. So we go to print your design. And now we're going to be looking at what we can have it printed on. So we can have it printed on sweatshirt, also on the hoodie, and I believe also, yeah, and also on the t-shirt. So let's start with the t-shirt. Let's see what it would look like. Okay, so now we click on resize design. Yeah. And let's have a look what it does. Let's have a look what it looks like. Okay, so what do you guys think? Well, I think it looks amazing. If you are a fan of Halloween, I think it looks amazing. Do we want something on the other side? I think so. Yeah, let's try and do something on the other side as well. So let's just add our second design to other side. So uploads. So what have we got here? We got some skulls. So let's just do maybe something a little bit friendlier. So maybe pumpkin, or maybe, let's see this. Okay, so this is a scary lady. Okay, so let me just move this a little bit to the side and going to set images background. So it sort of like fills it nicely. And now I can sort of click in here and do page 2 for the back. So let's see what it looks like now. Okay. What do you guys think? Of course, this is up to you whether you want something on both sides or not. But I quite like this. So I think it's quite lovely. If you guys, one tip before we continue, if you guys want to send it to someone for second opinion, or if you are sort of like doing it as a gift for someone and you want to ask someone else again for opinion, well, what do you think about this? There's actually no sort of good way to save it, because it's trying to save it as a web page. But what you can do, you can click on print screen. Yeah. And that way you can sort of like highlight it, and then you would then cut it. And now you can save it as a picture. Yeah. So now it's sort of like, it's going to allow you to save it as a picture. So that's a really useful tip if you want to ask someone for second opinion. So we can also play around with it, see if what would happen if we had a different design. So let's try this one and set images background. And now we can sort of maybe delete this one and see what it would look like. So with him, they're all so nice. Yeah. I think really you can see the quality as well there, and it's just the precision is just lovely. So I love it. So let's keep it like this. And then we have style, men, women, youth, toddler, infant. Yeah. So let's go for women. And then we can change the color as well. So let's have a look at what it would look like in red. We can do different colors, royal blue. Yeah, see which one we like. Let's have a look at gray. So you can guys basically play around with it. Actually, this looks quite nice. See what for your design would be the best color. Navy, charcoal, and also, of course, we have white as well. My voice is playing up today. I'm really, really sorry, you guys. And then we obviously have the sizes. So let's just compare the sizes. So this gives you the width and the height. Excuse me. Not a good day. Okay, and then we have one t-shirt for 24.50, and then we have two t-shirts for 47 pounds. So we can basically choose whichever option we want to go with. And then we go to checkout. And I believe you also will have, okay, so now we have got standard delivery here and other things. Yeah. So guys, it's really, really straightforward. Basically, you just need to buy your artwork of my Etsy store. I'm popping the link underneath this video. If you love Halloween, I think I've got really, really amazing clip art that I haven't seen anywhere else. So I'm really, really proud of it. And, you know, you can have it printed on anything. So in this example, we printed on t-shirt, but next video I'll do, maybe we'll create a bag with my clip art. So keep tuned. If you like videos like this, please like it and subscribe. My aim is to make this use of clip art and wall art that I sell very, very easy and accessible, and have it printed in whatever way you can, and also, you know, give you tools and techniques to create stunning projects without really any technical knowledge. So guys, thank you so much once again for tuning in, and I'll see you at my next one. Thank you.